Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Thank you, my colleagues, dear friends, especially Mr. Rouček. The countdown to full EU membership of Croatia has entered its decisive phase. And I think it's time to thank you. We are extremely happy to be a full member of EU. And as my colleague mentioned, that we are completely aware to combat what are our tasks, to combat corruption, rule of law. I think it's a job that never ending. It's our permanent task. But as Tanya just has mentioned, we are completely ready. We are, as a nation, as a citizen, completely major to resolve our problems, our unissued question with our neighbor in a peaceful way. But I would like to emphasize something that I haven't heard, but I think it's worth to say it. As I said, we are aware to combat corruption, rule of law, to reform judiciary, and so on. But we are aware, and we are aware to meet our commitment to our citizens, to resolve, to preserve, and even more, to develop our welfare state. I think that it's our task in Croatia and in the whole Europe, because people must trust us. Thank you.